Alright, I got this telescoping ladder, and it came with this foot stabilizing bar. Was not on it, and there was behind these rivets a plastic connector. Behind these rivets there was a plastic connector, and it gives you 2 long screws and a nut to put through here, but you have to cut that. You have to cut it in order to put the stabilizing bar on. And so don't be afraid to do that. There's a few questions and answers that say you have to do it. Someone else said I wouldn't do that, but you got to do that. That's what you got to do. And slide this in if you want to use this, which I think is a good idea, because that's a rubber foot, so it won't slip on cement or asphalt. And put the screw in, and then it'll be all right. Because in this instruction manual, there's not a single picture or comment about how to put that on. Neither is it on the Amazon website. So that's just nuts. But that's what you have to do. Little pair of diagonal cutters, any kind of little razor knife, anything will cut that plastic strip that goes right through there. So don't be afraid to do that. Okay, when you cut that little plastic strip out, you're just going to use a couple of different tools to put this on. I've got a, you're going to use 2 10mm nut drivers or socket and put these on, and then you're going to be good to go. Has a nice belt strap. Hire this whatever height you need to go up. And someone mentioned that the rest of it, when you go to pick it up, it's going to not be connected, but just take your strap and put around the section you're not using, tighten it, and then it'll be good to go. Okay, when you want to lower it, you can start at the top if you want to, or you can start here. It's not going to close all the way, so your fingers are going to be safer, but make sure you keep them on the outside and around the edges. Do the next one. Do this one. But watch your hands. And then this top one. And then finally this bottom one. Before you do that, you're going to want to undo this belt. It does go down pretty hard, so make sure that your fingers are out of the way. But as you do these, you can notice it will not go down all the way until the next one goes down. I don't have any problem with that.
Unlike most of your ladders, this ladder here does have a self-lowering mechanism in it with these 2 buttons here to keep it from smashing your fingers like your older, heavier duty ladders would do. It's very simple to use. You just get down here and when you just push these in, get it to collapse. You just push these 2 tabs in and it will slowly break itself down one section at a time. As you can tell, the next section will not fall